Hi guys, welcome back to Athak Guruji channel. Today we will learn about some basic data types in Python. Please like the video and subscribe to the channel. So let's get started. So see here, first data type is integers. Type is int and in description you see here whole numbers. So for example, we can assign value here in integer 1, 2, 3, 300, 500, etc. Second is floating point. So type is float and number with the decimal points. So if you want to assign any decimal value, then you have to use float. So for example, like 1.2, 100.0 or some like 6.7 etc. String. Type is str. So string is order sequence of characters. For example, athav in double quotes. You can write athav in double quotes in string, or you can write athav in single quotes. Both will be supported here. And list type is list. So list is ordered sequence of objects. For example, uh, in square bracket 1 in double quotes athav comma 100.5. Simple. And this one dictionaries. So dictionary type is dict. This is unordered key value pairs. For example, here you see here in the curly brackets name and athav. So name is here as a key and athav is the value here. So based on the key you can display the values here. Simple. See here, tuples type is TUP. So this is ordered immutable sequence of objects. Example, uh, in parenthesis you see 1 in double quotes athav comma 100.4. So basically tuples are similar to lists but differ primarily in their immutability. Simple. Sets. Type is set. So set is unordered collection of unique objects. For example, A comma B you see here in the uh, curly brackets. So sets are mutable themselves, means you can add or remove elements after the creation of your set. And the last one is booleans. Booleans type is bool, and this is a logical value like true or false. You can assign like true or false. So we will cover all these in the details in upcoming videos. Please like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.